Hey friends and students, welcome back to a new video of our mathematics. Today I'm going to explain you about a new chapter and topic of mathematics that is going to be circle, and the topics that included in this chapter are pi, radius, square and diagonal and tangents. Okay, these things includes and these are the parts of this chapter. So see, what a perfect circle guys, isn't it? Listen, this is radius, also known as r. This is diagonal line, okay? It is known as diagonal. At first I'm going to clear the basics of this chapter. What are this and why should you do this? Okay, and this, the line that touches it, okay, wait, let me draw it properly. The line that touches it and cross like this is known as tangent. Now altogether this when mixed up is known as pi square radius. Okay, pi square radius. So this is the basics of the circle. Whenever we see circle, it's a round object, huh? We talk about circle, it looks like this, but it's very complicated inside, and the things that are present there, it's literally harassing. But don't get harassed, okay? Don't get irritated. It's simple if you think and take it as a simple way. So before I start, the main thing, including this is the center, okay? A center is very important in a circle because it is the only way that you can calculate all the possible measurements. It is center, and then it comes cone. Wait, the ink is not coming out of this pen guys. Let me erase all of this. I hope that this thing seems very easy and simpler to you guys. Okay, see, circle, this is also a circle, but it looks like a pothole, isn't it? It looks like a pothole. Now when I draw these two cones, now it looks like a cone, but whenever I draw these two things, that looks like a happy birthday cap. Okay, this is, now we see here is one circle, and do you guys can find any other sub circle? Let me clear. See, this is a circle, that's a circle. The whole things here can be made of a circle if we cut in 2D dimension, not in a 3D dimension. The only possible way of getting a 3D dimension is that only when you get a surface that have height, mass plus velocity and density. That is the only simpler way of getting it. Okay, now again, before I tell anything other complex, I hope that you guys understand this. If you guys understood this point, write comment down below on this timeline that yes sir, we have understood. Even doing all of this shit, now the next thing that we're going to move on is pi square. What is pi and what is the value of it? Okay, if you guys know, then comment down. Okay, it's very easy. It has been taught to us from since class 7, I think. The value of pi is 22 by 7 r square. Now okay, I will help you guys to find out the mass of a ball. To find out the mass of a ball, we need to actually measure it. We actually needed to measure it, okay, in centimeters. After measuring it in the whole 360 angle by a tape, height measuring tape, we'll get approximate, take a number, 300, no, 25 centimeter. Now, what is inside this? How much mass can it carry? To know that 25 centimeter, we have to calculate this in this way, okay? Measure it. So if it be 25 centimeter on that side, it will be very similar 25 side on this particular way, okay? 25 centimeter and 25 centimeter, that's basically height our, that much centimeter, okay? 25. I am not going to show you the calculation, okay? Yes, that's fault for me. I am not going to show you the calculation. You guys tell 25 centimeter into 25 centimeter, multiply down and write in the comments so that the video little gets engaged, okay? That's a very simple 525, but try it and do it by your own. Even if you guys understood from this much, now suppose how much, how can we know that how heavy the ball is? Okay, that we have measuring tool, but suppose you are in a scenario where you didn't have measuring tools, so how can you carry and measure the weight? For this, take the ball. Okay, let me draw a ball. See, a ball is in this kind of, okay, this is how a ball, we have to take all these dimensions, and after taking that all three dimensions, one, two, three, see, one, two, three, and four. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. After doing this 6, we have to divide it by 6, then multiply by pi r square, that comes 242. It can approximately weight is 242. So I would be like to stop here because this chapter is a little complex and it will take two videos at least to cover this up. So yesterday's video is going to be again about math, and this was our part 1. Okay, this was is our part 1. We will know about part 2 in the next video. So I hope you guys understood about this. If you guys are learning and knowing, then please do not forget to subscribe the channel and like it the video and ask your questions and doubt below in the comment section. That's it for today. I will come back with a new video yesterday or tomorrow in this chapter. That's I'm going to clear this chapter. That's it for today, guys. Bye bye. I hope you guys understand the video.